Well, good afternoon. I hope all you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day. Today we are back at Epcot for some more Festival of the Arts Part 2. I've already filmed Part 1. If you guys haven't seen that video already, I'll be sure to leave it down in the description below. Now, I definitely want to try some more food, look at some art, and see some shows, and overall have a construction update because there's a lot going on. If you guys can't tell by the construction walls behind me. Now, I had no clue today was a holiday. It is President's Day, so it's super busy. Happy President's Day. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. I'm enjoying the new signage here at Epcot to tell you where everything is because it is really a maze right now because the front entrance is so under construction right now. You can't even go this way. Oh man, look where it led us to. We are now on the side of Guardians of the Galaxy. This is actually really cool as we have a monorail shot pass by. Here's the front entrance for Guardians of the Galaxy. We can hear them working in there. You can't even go this way anymore to get to Mission Space. You have to walk all the way around back by Test Track, which is still under refurbishment. Here's the new mouse gear, and you can't even go this way anymore. It is all closed off. Right here is Epcot's newest restaurant, Space 220, which we still don't know when it's going to be opening, but it looks pretty much done. Not unless they're going to theme it a little bit more back here, but I don't think they will. We still don't have that big elevator pole that will take you into space. They have not installed that yet, but hopefully this thing opens soon because I'm very excited for this dining experience to come. This part of the park is so quiet without Test Track running. They have added some new Fast Pass Plus kiosks right here outside of Test Track. You exit right here, and then the front entrance is right here. What is this? Test Track is running. They may be almost done with refurbishment. That's a good sign. That's Brooke Lopez. I just said hello to him. It is such a beautiful day today here at Walt Disney World. I love coming here to the World Showcase. I would take that one home, and I would take this one home. I love it. Every year for the past 2 years since Festival of the Arts has been a tradition, I always buy a piece of artwork every single year. So today I'm on a mission to find some artwork to take home. I have one in mind. Hopefully it's still there. It's time for food. I am here in Germany. I think I'm gonna get the red wine braised beef short rib, and tradition, I have to get the jumbo chocolate chip cookie. This looks so delicious. It's so fresh and so warm because the World Showcase just opened about 15 minutes ago. Okay, let's try the short rib first. I can smell the red wine. That meat is so tender. The seasoning is amazing, very juicy. I love this. It's really cool for all ages, especially the kids, because they give you a paintbrush and you can like draw all over it. You can mix it together. It's actually really cool and just such a neat idea, but the cookie itself is delicious. That food was very delicious. It's also already getting hot here at Epcot. I'm noticing Epcot is putting out a lot of flowers. That can only mean one thing. Flower and Garden is about 2.5 weeks away. Frushi! Look at all of the Star Wars art. Oh my goodness, it's Baby Yoda. I think I need this. How much is it? Whew. $145. Here's a quick update of the new American quick service restaurant coming. Looks pretty good. Looks like they're putting the final touches on. That is incredible. Look at all of the paint brushes and paint. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We are now in Japan, my favorite pavilion around the World Showcase. There's something I've been wanting to try, but I've always been too chicken. And no, it's not the sushi donut. Unfortunately, I just don't like seafood. But this thing, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I've always thought it tastes like fish, but I don't think it does. I think it's a dessert. You guys know what I mean? If you see something in the shape of a fish, it probably tastes a little fishy. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay. I don't like the texture. It's not fishy at all. I don't think I like it. No, I don't like it. Yeah, I did not like it. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you guys are looking to book your next Walt Disney World vacation, be sure to go visit my friends over at Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge anything to book your next Walt Disney World vacation, and they are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves, go visit my friends down in the description. Click on their link for your next trip to Walt Disney World. I am right outside Morocco. This is my favorite booth for art, and hopefully they have the painting I've been eyeballing. Here's one of them. Not the one I've been eyeballing, but I love it. This one is amazing also. And the Maui and Moana. I love it. I found the one I was wanting. Winnie the Pooh and all of his friends. Michelle, the artist who created this wonderful painting, is actually signing it for me right now. How neat is that? I got the painting that I wanted, and the artist was there who made the painting with no additional cost. She just autographed it for free since I bought it and she was there. That is awesome. Disney, this is awesome. By the way, if you guys buy any paintings, you can actually use your DVC discount or your annual pass holder discount of 20%. So it definitely saved me some money. We don't have too much longer until Ratatouille opens. I will say, I was on the Skyliner the other day and they still have a lot of work to do, but it is looking extremely good and I cannot wait to ride Ratatouille. You guys know what time it is. Flower and Garden is on her way. The flowers have just been put in and they're starting to bloom. If you guys love candles like me, especially Disney candles, this is the place for you. I found a candle that smells exactly how the Riviera does. They have one that smells like Dole Whip, the Contemporary, the Polynesian, Wilderness Lodge. I knew I should have bought more candles because I just knew in the back of my head those candles are going to be all sold out because it smells so good, just like the Riviera. Whenever you guys see something that you absolutely want here at Walt Disney World or even in Disneyland, get it because it's probably not going to be there the next time you go back. This is the one I got. This one smells like the Riviera. Holy cow, look at the line for Fast Pass for the Seas with Nemo and Friends. Wow. Since I'm already back here, let's go look at some fish. Whoa. This is cool. It's so relaxing. Look at the sharks. They're huge. Especially this one. Oh, he heard me. Is that Prince Charming, Dev? You better go ahead, Dev. I'm here. Good to see you, buddy. Thanks for coming close. This is actually part of the ride on the Seas with Nemo and Friends. Really interesting that you're actually going in the water. Here's a look at the manatees. All that lettuce in there. This place is really cool. I don't have to go all the way to SeaWorld to get my fair share of animal life. I used to have a huge 60-gallon saltwater aquarium back at home that looked almost just like this. I think once I move, I may get back into the saltwater game because I do miss it. Look at the seahorses. This one's just chilling, just hanging out. And look at this massive chocolate chip starfish. I had one of those. And we got a red shrimp right here. It's just so fun to watch. They're all so cute. In order to exit the park, you have to exit back by Seas with Nemo and Friends. This used to be all backstage. Not anymore. There's Coral Reef Restaurant. I like it. It does create some more room, but the front entrance really needs to open back up. Especially spring break and summertime's coming up. Ooh, what the heck? They have Goofy over here just hiding with no line. Hey Goofy, how you doing, man? I love what you're doing with the place. All the new construction coming up.
You could be the muse to my passion.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. What a fun day it was. We just met Goofy with no wait. What? Spaceship Earth is currently a 60-minute wait right now. Spring break is near. Spring break is near. Then we got to go around the World Showcase, try some food that I've been wanting to try before, Festival of the Arts. Heads away just in time for Flower and Garden to come. Flower and Garden is my favorite festival of the year, but Festival of the Arts is a really nice break away from Food and Wine, Flower and Garden, Festival of the Holidays, and I got to get my yearly painting, which was really cool. I've been searching for this painting since opening day when I brought you guys here. It's been sold out and they finally got a restock in, so I was able to pick one up, and Michelle signed it for me, the artist, so that was pretty neat. But I think I'm done with Festival of the Arts this year. My overall thoughts, it was, like I said, it's a good break away from the major festivals. I like that Epcot always has some sort of festival going on throughout the year now. That's really nice, but it's just not my favorite. It's probably my least favorite festival out of the year. It's still fun, but it is no Flower and Garden and no Food and Wine. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often, and I'm already halfway to my goal for fundraising for mental illness and hidden disabilities for my Star Wars marathon. You can still donate. If you can't donate, please share it out if you can. You can find that link down in the description. But I love you guys so much. It's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line.